All right, so, man, you know, everything takes so much longer than you think. Should be able to get this back in its place today. I actually also brought the door. That's exciting, just so I can kind of finalize my gaps on the rocker. But for now, let's get this knocked out. I'm gonna get the welding situation taken care of. So, let's get to it. Anyone else take probably what could be categorized as an unhealthy amount of pictures when doing anything? Yeah, me too. Gotta love that just dialed in MIG noise, you know what I mean? It's a good sound.
Down there working a pretty darn fast track car that you can have. Red Lane's conference room over there. This is the Daytona one.
Alright, so mixing up primer. Sorry, I got the mask on. This stuff is super smelly. When I say 2K or anybody says 2K, essentially what they're talking about is it's the product plus a hardener. This is 2K because it has a activator or hardener. So Lincoln, buddy, what is it, Bob? What is it, Link? Yeah, that's kind of just a bit. This is the good stuff. At the moment, as you guys know, I love to bounce around. I get bored very quickly. We're moving on to the back of the car now. As you guys can see, maybe you can't. I'm sure you can. Got my little spot welds marked out where they are. And we are about to remove the rear chassis leg. Let me show you why. You guys see all that in there? That's not good. This thing is pretty bad. You guys can see, hopefully you can, inside there. Not good, man. So to take this off, gonna be supporting the rear of the vehicle now. I'm gonna put some sort of a support. Well, look at Woody chilling. Apart from that, that's kind of where I'm at right now. We got some tack welds, kind of figure out how this thing comes apart, get this thing ripped out of here. What panel aren't I removing on this damn car? Okay, let's get to it. Oh man, this is turning out to be a little more tricky than I expected. We're coming through here. Oh, we're going through here. In there. How are we gonna get a drill in there? That's my question. Luckily I have a right angle drill. It's like back in here, right in there. If anyone's looking for a right angle drill, I have the link below. It's pretty handy. I will admit, it's pretty handy. Shout out to my girlfriend, Morgan, for getting me this. This is gonna, I can already guarantee this is not gonna be the funnest job. It's just we're very much in here. How the hell? Oh. Let's take a look how we're doing here. This is gonna be a pain because I'm gonna be drilling upwards. And if any of you guys who have drilled something that's pretty thick upwards, definitely wear long sleeves because you're gonna burn the hell out of your arm with hot metal shavings. Oh, well, it's been hours, man. It's literally been hours, and guess what? It's still in there. Oh, this is good. This is good. Basically, my problem here is the subframe stud bracket. This guy, I think I'm gonna have to remove it separately, man. It's just, I thought I could kind of weasel it and snake it around, but to pull this further down, I got the whole rail itself pretty loose. It's now just this. To get this further, to get this. Well, we'll go over this in a second. About to take this frame rail off, and literally, look at this. I had to peel back all this little couple chunks of seam steel in this corner. There's a weld, a spot weld, right in there. Can you see it if I move it? Hang on. Hang on. You see that? Unfortunately, if that doesn't allow me to remove this rail, we have much bigger issues to worry about, and we'll get to that. Hopefully we won't have to get to that. Hopefully this works. But if it doesn't work, damn it. Well, 2 seconds later, got that spot weld drilled out. That was fun. Still not gonna be able to get this thing out, and all the spot welds are out. I mean, this thing is super loose. It's just floating in here. But the fact that I put that rail piece back in is completely screwing me up, because this rail that I'm trying to remove dives into, as you can see, it kind of works its way into that part of the rail as well. And with it being so flush up against the floor of the car, and then this not really allowing it to drop because it's hitting and bottoming out against this, it sucks. But I really didn't, I should have thought about this. But then again, doing it the first time, never done it before, no information about this anywhere, so I just kind of had to learn and figure it out as I went. Oh, I swear, man, if this doesn't come out now. Getting somewhere. Oh. There it is. Woohoo. This is heavy. This is probably like 12 pounds, 10 pounds. You can see it has like an inner shell on the inside. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove that. it is now the next day. Left off last night with, as you guys saw, taking this whole situation apart. Because I didn't need the actual shell of the rail itself, I cut it in half. Take a look inside. I mean, the condition, the state of this is crazy to me. I mean, that is... And check this out. This is all the pieces that were kind of lodged in this area right here. Look at how thick. Yeah, rust is wild. Tell you what, man, this GoPro 8 is on its last legs. All right, 6 hours later, about 5 or 6 hours later, actually been working on a Z32, and they're kind of like another full-out restoration, kind of like the GTR, but not nearly as rusty. So that's nice. Man, what a day. Can't do anything with this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and now work on, I guess, this back pocket. I'm gonna dive in under there. I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with. It's pretty bad, believe it or not. And we'll go from there. We got Woody sleeping. Say hi, Woods. No, he's too sleepy. I think I'm gonna work on now removing this piece. As you can see, it's yeah. I don't even get how half this stuff rusted, man. It's just in the weirdest position. I've been trying to look for like a water line, like, because I'm honestly just starting to believe this thing was underwater. And like, not just a little bit underwater, I think it was like completely submerged. I don't know. I mean, it's possible. Okay, just here's another thing to my theory. Why is there dirt up here? This is the interior of the car. None of this is exposed to the elements. This is like the rear parcel shelf. This is where your speakers go. Look at all this dirt. I mean, it's like, this isn't metal. This is just like dirt. I mean, what you guys think? I think this thing was I think this thing was like in the Indian Ocean or something. I don't know. Well, it's 2:30 in the morning on Sunday, day of the upload, and here I am filming the outro. I guess it's pretty fair to say that rust is too minimal on the GTR at this point in time, and still a bit of work to do, but I gotta say, man, it is coming along really well. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the progress. We're getting to the point of the build where we're starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel as far as the whole rust and chassis repairs. If you guys are interested, I actually just posted a video taking the Z for a drive here. If you guys are not aware, it's 2JZ Swap Z32. It's a really fun car, but been a while since I actually took it out and then got to enjoy it. It's been about probably close to a year. So finally yesterday we went ahead and took it for a test drive, and then had a couple little issues here and there, but we got them all taken care of. That'll be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I got all my Patreon merch, all that stuff down below if you guys want to go ahead and support. Really would appreciate that. We ship worldwide, and yeah, would appreciate the support. So thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking. See you guys all in the next video. Hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye.